everyone. I know you did a little bit of folding this morning with Mrs. Cow and you made a fan. Well, it gave me an idea. I thought, well, why don't we practice that a little bit more? Miss Carl's not very good at it. So I wanted to practice it a little bit more and do a bit of cutting as well. Let's see what we're going to make. So we're going to fold our fan a bit wider than Mrs. Cow, but also landscape. Okay, so this way, that way, this way, and that way. Right, now we're going to actually be able to cut this in half. So I'm going to do that now. Right, more or less half. There we go. So we've got two lots that we can use. Right, now I've got my fanny bit this way. And now in here, I'm going to draw a person. But, got to be careful, just an outline, and the hands have to touch the edge, and so do the feet. So, let's see if Miss Carl gets it right. Here's my pencil. Here. And I'm going to try and fill the space. So I'm going to put my head right near the top and my feet right near the bottom. So a nice circle for the head in the middle. Okay, circle in the middle at the top for the head. And then like a triangle for the arms going out. See, sort of like a start of a triangle. And then the body comes straight down. Right, like a rectangle there for the body coming down. And straight to the edges. How's that? Nice and simple. Look at the lines, a circle for the head, and then two diagonal lines coming out like the start of a triangle, and then straight underneath those, that's called parallel when the lines go in line with each other. So another parallel line there and parallel line there, and then straight down for the body on each side, another parallel to these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 parallel lines, none with each other. There we go for the legs. And the hands are touching the sides, and so are the feet. Now it's time to cut it out. Right, cutting out. Remember, turn your paper. Don't take your scissors out when you get to a corner. Turn your paper. Keep your scissors still. Turn your paper. Right. And right, when it gets there, then you just cut it straight off the edge of the page. See? And then up. Turn my paper. Don't take my scissors out. And what do you think's going to happen when I unfold it? What do you think? Hey? Let's have a look. My little people are joined together. Look at that. I have a little family. So you can then go and put some faces on, decorate their clothes and their bodies with different patterns, and you've got another piece that you can do some more as well. Have fun!